I should play. What game? Wall fight. Yeah, wall fight. I think this is the game. I should invite my friends. Hey guys, you here? You ready to start the game? Yeah. I got something to say. What? I think our classmate and I think our family going to play. Oh, you ready, Parrot? I'm born you ready. Wait, you homeless, right? Yeah. How you play the game? Oh, I just go behind and I'm up the closet and playing right now. I stole some of my phone, so it makes sense. That's why you made me poopy thoughts. Yep. You ready to play? Yup. Let's start. The game start. We need to go, guys. Find weapons. Okay, guys, we spell. Okay. Let's go. Come on, Barrett. Whee! Oh my God, weapons. So excited. Beep. Oh God. Ha! Loser. Okay. Get my gun. Okay, let's go. Woo! Okay. Beep. Grenade. I got a grenade. Okay, I need to find a gun. What gun? A gun! And I can trick people. Come on. Get the gun. Get this. Let's go. A gun. Wait. Oh, thank God. I never stepped. I'm so excited I got not changed. Huh? Changed. Come on. Good night. Hey. Oh, poop. Beep, beep, beep. Shotgun. Oh, come on! Oh, thank God. Oh, come on, no ammo. Yeah. Good, I have a grenade. Come on. Okay. I got one. Bird and Parrot. And Karen and Stitch. I hope Stitch don't die. I like to kill. Is a spawn. Hey! My gun! Take this! Come back here! Come back here! Be calm. I have a shotgun. Where do I hide? I should camp. Damn! This is very easy to fit. Oh, I should. Oh, bad. I can shoot. Okay. Okay, nice. I should. Okay, wait. Yes, sir. My weapons are. Hey, son, quiet down. Sorry, Dad. Yes, nice. Okay, now I gotta aim at somebody. What the? Poop. No. I'm in the blue. I gotta get Good thing that's shows up. Okay. I need to make it. and you finally make it. I feel better already. And I still got more. I should keep it safe. Okay, now I gotta camp again. Where? The border is coming, so maybe I should go farther. The border. I got no weapons. What should I do? Wait. There's a big gumbo. Wait. Maybe I should wide. I have a plan. I'm gonna get in there. Oh yeah. Oh no! Somebody shoot at me! Oh, come on! How? Come on! Get in there! Oh no, boy! Oh, come back here! I just want to shoot you to win the game! Okay, who? Sure! Yeah, not good plan. We cannot get out of here because I will die. I eat it. Okay, now I gotta kill more people. Immediately. Hup. Okay. Somewhere up there. Oh, you know, honey. Take a new check. Okay. Oh shit! I gotta get out of this. Woof. Wait a minute, I got a shotgun. Huh. That's so dumb. Well, okay, I gotta shoot. Huh. Okay. Boom, baby. Oh yeah, who's the boss? Who's the boss? Yeah, yeah. Who's the boss? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay, now I gotta find Karen, Bird, Parrot, and Stage. Okay. Keep shooting. Okay. Oh my god. It's like a zombie apocalypse. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Where's Parrot? Where's Stitch? And where's Karen? I forgot about it. Just shoot. I'm out of ammo. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Take this second. Oh, okay. I got a grenade. Okay, you do that. Can I borrow your gun? Okay, sure. But I only have like 2 bullets. Okay. Bye. Okay, I had it. No. Help. No. Remember me. No, you will pay for this. You. Get away. Take this, you baby poo-poo. Huh. You kill my friends. You don't kill my life. Well, you could do it. What you see? Huh? What you mean? I have another grenade. You can hold it. Bye. Huh? What? Window! Bird! That's what I thought. Oh! I won! I won! Okay, you won. Dinner time. Fine.